Hey, what's up everybody? It's Austin, and today out in the country over here at Auto Auction Rebuilds HQ, so AAR HQ, we got a couple people that we're going to see on the channel that you guys have seen in Randy's, or on Randy's channel, there we go. But we're just going to hang out and maybe do some fun stuff with Elko or something like that. In fact, I need to go grab a part for my car, so stay tuned. Let's see what we're doing today. So because this video wasn't really planned, unfortunately, I really didn't introduce everybody here. As you can see, Santa's in the frame. Randy is recording for Santa. And TK is over there as well. He's helping us out. So everybody's here helping Santa pop the top off of this Elko. So let's get back into it. Just a little bit left, huh? That much. Hey, look at that. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, holy moly.
Wow.
One wire holding it on still.
Well, you know the money shot though is getting it off the car.
Just yank it, unless you need it.
Well, you never know.
This is true. There we go.
You just cut the wire with the sawdust?
Yes, he did. Where are we going with this?
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Walking up to the back?
Right to the door, go right to the pickup. What are you trying to do? Put it in the back of the... Oh. No, not pickup.
Oh, we need to open the back, huh? I always forget which button it is. Alrighty.
You might want to put it in at an angle. No, go ahead and put your end in first. All right. Tell you what, let's turn it upside down. All right.
Watch the glass.
Got it. Okay. I got it. If you'll come around here and do a catch for me.
I got your catch. It's all right. I don't know how I want to respond to that.
Just ignore.
Okay.
They'll go away.
That's fair. Yeah. This is some redneck engineering. Oklahoman engineering. Oklahoman engineering. Okay.
I'll open that garage a little bit. She smells kind of. Smells like ass, bro.
Come on.
Got ass gas in it, bro. Man. I'm surprised it fired right up. There was no gas in it.
Here, I'm gonna take
The fuel filter up here is loaded though.
It's
I had another bungee to wrap around that battery.
yeah. We got a ratchet strap and then slap it and say it's nice, good, and tight.
Let's try this again. This time with the bungee cord. Bungee cord is wrapped from here, up, over,
Oh man.
and over to the starboard. 10 steps back.
I'll stand over
Maybe you can
here.
turn the aisle down on this too. I don't remember how high I had it up.
Man, that battery.
There it is right there. Oh man. There's your money shot right there.
started right up. This battery did a great job.
I told you.
Hey, from being from 2012, that's pretty good.
You know the problem with these old cars is you can't tell for sure if it's a cam or if it's severely misfired. I'm gonna go with nah, she's got a cam in her.
Yeah.
Feel better anyway. I'm tempted to hook the timing light up. Turn that idle up just a hair. Oh, dude, I hear a plug wire. You hear that?
Yeah.
That spark?
I hear
Where's
it.
that coming from? I don't know.
I think it's somewhere up in here, maybe.
I hear it over here too. Very back, very back. Do you see it arcing? Hey, yeah, there's no plug wire on it. Hey, Austin, will you grab that?
I am not grabbing that.
Austin, can you do me a solid real quick? Man?
No!
I need you to grab onto that lightning. Oh, dude, the video of that is awesome. Is it sparking?
Oh yeah, I can see it.
What's hilarious is it's traveling down to the plug wire. Yes.
That's crazy. I'm not touching that. I'm not touching that. No.
There's your TikTok video. There's a minute of that. You're right. You're right.
Oh, shit. Hold on.
Wow, look at that.
It's arcing all the way to the watt. That's crazy, dude.
Wow. That
Invest in a camera. Just unplug wire. That's all you gotta do, man.
wow, that is riding lightning right there. I ain't touching that at all. That bungee cord's doing work. There is a truck behind you still. What do you mean?
Wait a minute, it wouldn't make it?
No, it cut out right before he got up here. Is that a gas?
Wow.
Oh, it's got ants all over it. It's doing a little bit of puffing out the back, but it's doing a lot better than what it did.
Yeah. I mean, it's not smoking, so.
And there's TK over there, obviously Randy, and then we're here with Santa Claus Workshop. Hey.
Oh,
But man, this has been a fun evening, just hanging out with the guys, the YouTube crew, I guess, the AAR family, because I mean we really did get a lot of point outs and, you know, mentions from Randy at AAR, so it's always fun. Oh man, that thing, it doesn't sound that bad.
no, it doesn't.
It doesn't sound that bad at all. So yeah, I think this might be, it's a quick little short video, and I got to meet Santa Claus here. There he is. It's been really fun talking with him, and we've got, again, everybody's here, so it's been really cool. Been a fun night, and destruction, but also working on the other Elko that you're putting the new,
Put the roof off of that one onto the other one.
There we go. That's the one. All right, so my little video's done here. Go watch their channels because they're going to have their own bits as well. And I think you're doing a whole thing with the roof as well, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And TK's doing his TK stuff over here.
I'll be at the strip club later.
Oh, okay. Hey, hey, you know where TK's going to be. You know where to find him. All right.
Run, girls, run.
Run. Get out of there, quick. All right. So with all that said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.